Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube. Lloyd's Welding here. Today we've been working on, past little while, we've been working on dog kennels and getting everything set up. The other kennels have been in the mud and did not look good. So what we wanted to do was buy all new stuff, but we wanted it to be stronger. So we went to been mowing all day and the pollen is terrible. Went to Tractor Supply and bought 6 kennels. Well, 3 kennels from one place and 3 from another one. And then we bought this hog wire. It comes in 16-foot sections, 34 inches tall. And I welded that across the bottom everywhere. We like the kennels we got. The only problem with them is the dogs like to bite and chew on the wire, and eventually they get out because the wire is not strong enough to keep them in. So I took his hog panel and welded it at the bottom, and it makes it to where, you know, they're not going to pull the wire loose. They're not going to do anything to it now. The next set of kennels up from that was right at $10,000 for a whole set, with a 3/4 inch metal bars, all custom made. I think in this one and these 6, we're gonna have 4 to 5 in them. I'm not sure, but I think they're $350 at Tractor Supply. You can get them on sale every once in a while for I think $300 or $250. And then the pig panels, they're $27 a piece, I want to say. But I'll post a picture of them and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So if y'all want to do it, you can go to Tractor Supply. But that's it. I guess, don't know how well you can see this, but I spot welded all the points down here. We spray painted over it with some hammered Rust-Oleum, and that's what they look like at the bottom. So the dogs ain't gonna be able to chew through them, and they're makes it a whole lot stronger. Back, brother. Back, Maggie.